Sajoostoo. Flat thin layered bread. A bread from Armenia. Serves 4. You will need 9 ingredients. Step 1. Melt shortening in butter and set aside. Break eggs into large bowl. Add baking powder, sour cream and salt. Beat well. Add combined milk and yeast mixture. Add
Step
4
2.
tablespoons of melted
Roll
shortening
each ball
mixture.
into a rectangular
Add
shape
flour a little at a time, kneading about 10 minutes until easy to handle.
Brush with melted
Divide
butter
into
mixture.
14 smooth balls
Fold
and place
lengthwise
on
into
dish towel.
thirds.
Cover
Stretch
and let
dough by
rise in
pulling
warm
lengthwise
place for
Step
half hour
3.
to fourths. Heat electric griddle or electric frying pan to highest temperature. Roll dough into thick rectangular shapes and cook until golden brown. Adjust heat as necessary, turning and brushing Sajoostoo with butter
CountryReports.
mixture. Culture.
Make sure not to
Countries,
use any
travel.
salted part of butter mixture.